What's up, y'all? You know who it is. It's the Texas Dipper 0025. I'm back. I didn't film yesterday because all it was a baseball game, and I didn't have a chance to film anyways, so another crack in my camera screen. Great. So, I'm going to go down to H-Town's house. He's going with us, so let's get her done. What's up, y'all? We're unloading the car, and it's about 11:30, so we got to haul ass. And then it's time to get on the road, and look who I found. We'll be filming a review this weekend on pouches, so on the mint pouches, see if there's any flavor difference. So be ready for that. And we got to unload all that crap. Car's not that bad this go around. It was worse last time. And all that shit.
Here, I'm gonna get all these things.
So, yeah. Leave the Walmart bags. Stuff them under the seat. So we're just getting unloaded and getting on the road. I'll do some road footage, but we're also gonna check in with y'all before we do that, so let's get to work. I'm so bored. I want to do something. So when this vlog is up, look and see if the mint pouches review is up. I'm out of long cut, so I'm having to dip pouches, unfortunately, so at least it's dip. I don't want no, you're a pussy for dipping pouches. You aren't man enough to dip long cut. I dip long cut, mint long cut, anything long cut all the time except for when I'm out of dip, and this is all I got. I don't even really need to spit them. I just don't want to be gutting without something to drink. So we'll film that review. So look for that to be up. We may get a chance to film today. We may not. It's getting pretty late in the day, and we got to set up, and we want to go swim and do all that. So it's gonna fucking suck, but at least we're going to a gun show. So let's do it. Cue the time lapse now. So we come to fill up, and the goddamn credit card company says that our card's invalid, which is fucking bullshit. So we're just about halfway to Fort Worth, I think. I don't know how far it is. We're in Granbury right now. But shit. I mean, it's just so stupid. Anyways, I know I haven't given any road footage to y'all yet, but here it goes. y'all. That's the end of the night. I know there wasn't hardly anything today. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's the first day of the show, and we're gonna be up at 7:30. So I'm TechStipper0025, and that is. Speak up. Dipper. And we're out, y'all. Holler.